Welcome to CorpSignals, the platform that helps you to sell anything in the UK. Imagine you're a footwear seller or manufacturer. You need to find buyers in the UK. I'll type footwear wholesalers into the search bar. Our AI search engine suggests related industries, the first part, and import or customs HS codes, the second part. I don't need footwear manufacturing, so let's remove it. This one. The HS codes looks good, so I'll keep them and apply the search. Now we found more than 1,000 companies. You can see each company name in the table, show description, a link to this website, industry, revenue, import-export statistics, which is matched to those HS codes we selected previously, where we found it. So as you can see, both filters have been applied. Some very short information about the company, director's name, what they do, and the emails. You can get it by clicking on this button. Also, we provide for some companies we provide company emails like just the sales or some general contact emails. Let's look at this company, Locker Brothers Limited. It imported shoes for more than 100 months. It's about 8 years. The last import was made in July 2025. Let's look at the directors list and let's click on the button to get the contacts. We found one. We found the second one. Let's try business contact. Okay, we found also 2 emails. Okay, go to the next companies. Okay, let's click on it. Click on this company. So we found emails, this one, both emails we found, and this company. Okay, let's go to this field, click on show selected, and we can click to export to Excel file so you can import these data to your CRM system. I opened this Excel file, so it contains company name, company number, its status, when it was founded, website, description, industry. So everything you have seen in the table in our application, also just director's name and all emails you found in our application. Just import it into your CRM system and work with it. And that's it. With CorpSignals, you can go from search to targeted verified business lead in just a few clicks. Register on our site and get 100 emails for free. Thank you.